echo letters, and these are five letters. You can see on your screen here is five letters: qaf, ta, ba, jim, and dal. And you can see on the bottom of this slide. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my channel Quran Learning Zone. I hope you are doing well. So today we will start from the 10th lesson of Noorani Qaida. In this lesson we will read Sukoon sign. Okay, and you can see on your screen here is a Sukoon sign, and its meaning to join the previous letter with the next letter. That is the meaning of this sign. You can see on the top of the here is the sign. Its meaning to join the previous letter with the next letter, and it called Sukoon. Okay, and the second one is here. In this lesson you read qalqala letters. Do you know what is the meaning of qalqala? Qalqala meaning echo letters, and these are five letters. You can see on your screen here is five letters: qaf, ta, ba, jim, and dal. And you can see on the bottom of this line here is huruf qalqala. In the Arabic you read it qalqala letters. Okay, and the next one is here five letters: qaf, ta, ba, jim, and dal. Okay, qalqala letters are five, and when the sign of sukoon comes over these letters, like you can see here, when this sign comes over these letters, then these letters give a kind of echo sound, which is called qalqala. Okay, okay, now we will start from here, and now you read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم همزة با زبر أب Hamza ba zir ib, and the next one Hamza ba pish ub, ab, ib, ub. Okay, and the next one there is a sound of echo like kalkla sound, and the next one Hamza ta zabir at, Hamza ta zir it, Hamza ta pish ut, at, it, ut. Okay, and the next one Hamza sa zabir as, Hamza sa zir is, Hamza sa pish us, as, is, us. You don't read like that. As is there is a wrong sound. You just read in a normal sound because this one is not a qalqala letter. As, is, us, like that. And the next one is qalqala letter. Like you can read this letter with echo sound. Hamza jim zabar aj, Hamza jim zir ij, Hamza jim pish uj, aj, ij, uj. Okay. And the next one, Hamza Harzabar Ah, Hamza Harzir Ich, Hamza Harbish Oh, Ah, Ich, Oh. Okay, the next one is here. Hamza Khazabar Akh, Hamza Khazir Ich, Hamza Khabish Oh, Akh, Ich, Oh. Okay, and the next one is here. Hamza Dal Zabar Ad, Hamza Dal Zir Id, and the next one, Hamza Dal Bish Ud, Ad, id, ud. Dal is a qalqala letter. And the next one, Hamza zal zabar as, Hamza zal zir is, Hamza zal pish uz, as, is, uz. Okay. And the next one, Hamza ra zabar ar, Hamza ra zir ir, Hamza ra pish ur, ar, ir, ur. Okay. And the next one is here, Hamza za zabar as, Hamza zazir is, Hamza zapish uz, as, is, uz. Okay, and the next one is here. Hamza sin zabar as, Hamza sin zir is, Hamza sin pish uz, as, is, uz. Hamza read with the whistle sound. Okay, and the next one. Hamza shin zabar ash, Hamza shin zir ish, Hamza shin pish ush, ash, ish, ush. Okay, and the next one, Hamza Sad Zabar as, Hamza Sad is, and the next one, Hamza Sad Bish us, as, is us. Okay. And the next one, Hamza dot zabir ad, Hamza dot zir id, Hamza dot bish ud, ad, id, ud. And the next one, Hamza dot zabir at, Hamza dot zir id, Hamza dot bish ud, ad, id, ud. Ta is a qalqala letter. And the next one, Hamza dot zabir az, Hamza dot zir is, and the next one, Hamza Labish Uz. Okay, as is Uz. And the next, continue the end in the same manners, like same way you read the next letters. And your lesson has been finished. And this is your homework. You memorize them properly. Qalqla letters, like 5 letters: Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, and Dal. Okay, that is your homework, and you read it properly. And thank you for watching my video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.